Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on a very well-reviewed, low-security deadbolt called the EASILOK. And then in my next video I'm going to get a closer look at it and show it to you in more detail. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like out of the box so you can just see what you are getting. So I have the box right here, which is exactly how it was sent to me. And what I'm going to do is open it up and let's just take a quick look. So the EASILOK is a pretty cool lock because it is a dimple lock. You are able to set it so that you can lock it from the outside, and you can also set it so that when it is locked from the outside you are not going to be able to use the key, which makes it really nice because you can know that that lock is not going to be getting opened up overnight. So here's the lock right here. I'm just going to get the big box out of the way and let's see what we have. So we're going to have EASILOK Twist to Lock Keyless. And I think this is going to be a pretty cool product. So let's just open this up so we can take a quick look. And I look forward to getting into showing you more about this lock in use in a future video. So let's get this open and let's check it out. Alright, so comes very well packaged in a box you would expect to see if it were on a shelf. And here it is. So EASILOK Twist to Lock. And I think this is actually a pretty cool concept for a deadbolt where you are able to lock it from the outside to make it just a little bit less difficult to use, because you don't always want to have to go find the key to just lock it on your way out. You know, sometimes say the key's in the car already or something like that. You just want to be able to make sure the door is locked. So let's open this up right now. So right as we open it, we're going to see a few cards. EASILOK offers a lifetime mechanical warranty, so it sounds like they're going to stand by their product, which is good. And then they have a template for if you do need to drill in a new door so you can get it set up, which is always very helpful because you want it to be nice and snug. Now let's open up the box and see. Alright, so on the inside it comes with a instruction manual on how to set up this product, which is really nice. And then we're going to have the EASILOK itself. So I presume in here is going to be maybe some hardware and some keys. So we got the bolt, we got some wood screws, got the strike plate, got some more hardware. Then I see the key on the inside. So let's just take a quick look at this while we have it. So when I looked at this before, I saw one of the reviews on it, and that one came with a dimple lock, and this one appears to come with a regular pin and tumbler, which is pretty cool. Just looking at it, it looks like it's more of a Schlage type keyway, so that would be really interesting to see if I can pick it open, see what we can do with the leashy tool, and that would be pretty fun to use in the future. But just using the key right now, we're going to open it up, see that the key works, and we're not going to be able to test the bolt features until we have it installed, but there is a knob on it where it can make it so you can shut off that feature where you can lock it from the outside or make it so the key doesn't work on the inside. But I want to say that this is a pretty cool lock. I would say stay tuned to me getting this put into a dummy door and we can try it out together. So I just want to say EASILOK, thank you for sending this out to me. I look forward to doing a further review on this. I am happy to see that it has a pen tumbler. I feel like that's a little bit better in my opinion, just because you're going to be able to make some keys for this. That was going to be one of my complaints with the dimple lock, is it would be really nice to have something that's a little bit harder to get copied. but that's also going to make it more difficult for you in the future. But I just want to say thank you to everyone for checking this out. I look forward to making another video on this product. I just wanted to share with you a quick video on it. I just want to say thank you to everyone that checked this out. If you have any questions or suggestions or anything at all, please feel to leave those right in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you all have a great day.